Burlesque is fulfilling because it encompasses and embraces a lot of different types.
You really do feel accepted while you're on the stage.
I don't know if it's changed me. I think it's made me more me.
At the end of the day, I'm just being me, but with more glitter.
I'm Kat Lakoe. I'm also Vixen DeVille and teaching this body confidence and burlesque class. Burlesque has absolutely enabled me to be so much more myself. I remember being this shy, retiring, terrified person at high school, and as soon as I began performing as Vixen DeVille, it was an outlet to say those things and wear those clothes and have those opinions. But the absolute release of being like that in front of all these people, and you're like, oh, that's actually who I am. My background was physical theatre and movement and devising visual storytelling. So in my class, it's not just teaching a dance routine, it's a piece of performance art. It's important to me for me to go, what do you want from this class? And what do you want to express? And let me help you do that.
My stage name is Cider.
My name is Lady Sapphire Noir.
I'm Violet LaFletter.
I am a professional chef.
I'm a preschool teacher.
A computer geek for a living.
Kat's class offered a stage, if you will, with women of all shapes and sizes that had a beauty in common. A beauty that Kat made all of us realize that we had.
I was already a little bit on the self-conscious side because I am a curvier girl. I'm like, oh my God, what am I doing? It was scary. But being focused on these projects, making sure that they look good on stage, next thing I know, I'm starting to let go. The other people that were in the class seemed to be inspired by my confidence that I didn't realize I was exuding. And next thing I know, I was buying into it too. Let's do this, let's drop the corset, let's show all the wobbly parts, as Kat calls it.
What's so great about working with Kat is that she has this talent in between the moments where you are frightened and the moments where you are acting the way you think you should act on stage. She finds where you're being yourself and she goes, that's what I want. And that is extremely healing in itself because she's celebrating you and she's saying, I want you on the stage. And I think that's beautiful.
It's just been amazing to see how much people develop over the time and how helpful they find it just in their day-to-day lives. I think burlesque is really important in that it gives you a safe space in order to explore who you really are. Anybody who's ever had any interest in burlesque at all, whatever excuse you can come up with for not doing it, I will come up with an absolute reason why you should. It's an opportunity to just forget everything else, have fun, have a bit of exploration, have a bit of play, be a child again.